Good day, Australia, and everyone around the world. For today's vlog, we're going to make a pastry bread, which is back in our country we call it Ensaymada. Since this is one of the most requested recipe, then we're gonna make it. For the full ingredients and instructions, please see the details below. So let's start making it. Our pastry bread. And that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notification. Cheers, mate!